Take a moment to settle into where you are. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to fix anything. Just notice that you are here. If your eyes are open, let them soften. If they're closed, allow your face to relax. Bring your attention to your breath. Not controlling it, just noticing it as it moves in and out. Thoughts may still be there. That's okay. You don't need to push them away. Imagine your thoughts as background noise, like a distant radio playing in another room. You can hear it, but you don't have to listen. Each breath creates a little more space. Space between you and the noise. Space between you and the tension. Notice your shoulders. Let them drop slightly. Notice your jaw. Allow it to unclench. With each breath out, imagine releasing something you don't need to carry right now. Expectations. Pressure. Mental clutter. You are allowed to rest here. Even if your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the breath. Back to this moment. Back to yourself. Nothing else matters right now. Not what happened earlier. Not what comes next. Just this breath. Just this moment. Allow a sense of calm to spread naturally. You don't have to force it. Just let it arrive in its own time. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Carry this clarity with you as you move forward.